video is for those who are preparing for CSIR NET Life Science or any subject, because the syllabus is very vast. And if you are someone who is pursuing the master's degree, if you are into post graduation, and if you wish to qualify the NET exam while pursuing your PG degree, then you must have very nice plan to complete the full course in a given period of 2 years. So if you are someone who is in first year of your PG or second year of your PG, so the time which is there with you is very short. Okay, in this short time period you have to qualify this exam, because after your masters this exam will help you to decide what you want to do in future. Okay, because after masters you have to devote one complete year at least, if not less than 6 months. You have to devote that much time to qualify this exam, because the syllabus is very vast. Okay, also preparing it with the master's degree is also not easy. Okay, so if you are someone who have planned to pursue the PhD degree, this exam is very necessary to qualify it. Okay, to get the fellowship, because if you don't have the fellowship, please don't pursue this degree. Okay, so lot of students have asked me that, ma'am, how to prepare when we are still in the PG degree, how to find out the time. Okay, so what you have to see, students, you have to study at least 4 hours in a day if you are in your master's degree. I can't assure that studying just 4 hours in a day you will qualify in just 6 months. You have to devote 1 year if you are pursuing another degree with CSIR net. Okay, so if you are starting from the very first semester of your master degree, you have to devote at least 4 hours in a day. Okay, so even if you are in the first degree, a first semester, or even in the fourth semester, you have to take out at least 4 hours, if not less. More would be better. Okay, so what time should you devote to study for CSIR net? So I would suggest the best time, which is in which there is no distraction. What if you are staying outside of your home, I would suggest that better take out the evening time. After dinner, start studying from 9 to 11. Okay, start studying from 9 to 11 p.m. and in the morning from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. Okay, if you study 2 hours in the night and 2 hours in the morning, then that would be a lot helpful. Okay, that would be lot helpful to complete all the basic concepts. Okay, so studying 2 hours in the evening and 2 hours in the morning will be very much helpful if you are pursuing the master's degree. Okay, so how will you study in those 2 hours in the evening and 2 hours in the morning? I would suggest that if you are watching, if you are going through video lectures, if you have subscribed to any channel or going through video lectures, I would suggest that in one day just watch at least 2 hours of video lecture. If you are going through any video lecture, just give 2 hours to watch any video lecture, and the remaining time, especially the morning time, please devote it for revision or learning new concept directly from the book. Okay, not from the video. If you invest a lot of time watching the video, it will be like you will be feeling like wasting a lot of time. So I would suggest in the morning or in the evening time, just all total just watch one video of 2 hours, and the rest revise directly from the book. Now lot of people ask me that, ma'am, from which book shall I study? Okay, so I would suggest only go through those books which are foreign author books. Okay, because Indian author books will not help you to give clear concept, and the pictures in the foreign author books are very detailed, and it helps, and questions are directly asked from there. Okay, so study from the foreign author books, and go through all the foreign author books of which is divided for particular topics. Okay, so read from the foreign author books. If you have don't have that much time to go word by word, you can read the images, you can go through the steps or the sequential schematic presentation and their captions. If you read the images and captions of all those concepts and make a note of it, make a flow chart of it in your copy, it is going to clear most of the concepts, especially for unit 4, cell signaling. If you read from the foreign author book, it is much helpful to clear all the concepts, right? So go through the foreign author book, find out, pick up a unit, go through the foreign author book, make a flow chart in your copy step by step. If possible, use the color pens also, and immediately do its pyq. Okay, so whichever units you are starting with, you must have a pyq ready with you at that time. Okay, so if pyq is ready with you, it will be helpful to clear the concept immediately and to retain the concept for the longer period of time. Clear? So the first thing you are going to do is pick a foreign author book, pick up a unit, the foreign author book relevant to that, and read its images and captions, make a note of it, and simultaneously solve its pyqs. Okay, once that is done, okay, in the morning, whatever you have read the previous day, please revise it. Okay, because for qualifying CSIR net, at least 3 times of the revision of the full syllabus is very very important. If you do not revise at least 3 times the full syllabus which you have read, you will not retain the concept, you will not be able to use the concepts. And because nowadays what has happened, no, they have stopped asking straightforward questions, they are now focusing on analytical questions. And for solving analytical questions, you must have the basic concepts very clear, you must have a research mindset. And you will be able to use research mindset only when you have your basics very very strong. Clear? So a lot of people have difficulty, lot of students have difficulty sleeping in the night and waking up in the morning, right? I hope this is relatable to lot of you. So sleeping late at night, if you make a routine that you will be going to bed at 10 p.m. or at 11:30 p.m., if you make a routine of sleeping on time, it's for sure that in 1 or 2 days or 3 days you will wake up at the desired time in the morning. Okay, so you can also try studying with a friend, maybe not from your subject, maybe from another subject. They can also help you to wake up on time, to keep a track. They'll also study with you, they'll also help you to give the company and to be on the track. Okay, so making a friend who studies with you is very very important, even that friend is not from the same department. So if you are pursuing masters, you must feel tired from the lab, you must feel pressure that you have to study a lot, lot for PG degree as well. You must be feeling pressurized whether pursuing CSIR net is important, or should we pursue another exam, another government exam that will give you the job security. But friends, if you are in masters, CSIR net is the best degree you can pursue. And if you want to switch the field, then you can do it after masters. Okay, because if you CSIR net is similar to what you have did and what you are doing, so it will be more easier for you to qualify this exam during the master's degree. But if you start to pursue any government exam, any other government exam, then I would suggest you can prepare it after the master's degree, because that is whole different syllabus, whole different concentration is required, which will distract you from pursuing the masters even in a good way. Okay, so please make your routine very well. Study from the foreign author books, draw schematic presentations, schematic charts, and solve pyq immediately. And the morning revise everything from any other Indian author book. Okay, so start from the foreign author book to clear your syllabus, to clear basic concepts. But for revising again, keep your notes as well as any other Indian author book, not just rely from one source. Keep 2 to 3 books, 2 to 3 notes together while you are revising, because it makes your revising in a very interesting way. Okay, if you keep if you study same topic from 3 different books and plus your notes, you will feel very interesting, you will feel that I'm not missing out anything. And side by side keep the pyq, so that it will help you to understand what kind of question can be asked from there. Okay, so if you are studying 4 hours daily in the weekday, you have to study at least 8 hours in the weekend. Okay, at least 8 hours each of Saturday and 8 hours on Sunday, and try to complete whole video lecture of one unit, of one full unit in the weekend, in the 8 hours of Saturday and in the 8 hours of Sunday. You total 16 hours in the weekend, try to complete watching the video lectures of whole particular unit. And uh, because only video lectures will not help, so you have to study from the foreign author book as well. So I would suggest give one entire week to any particular unit, and in that one week, first uh, Saturday and Sunday start complete all the video lectures of that unit, and the Monday to Friday part for give 4 hours each day, and this 4 hours revise all those you have learned from foreign author book as well as from Indian author book as well as pyq. This will make your concept very very strong. I am very sure if you study in this way, if you study in this way, you will surely be very near in the first attempt, and you will surely qualify in the second attempt. Just take the words from me. If you follow this routine, I will ensure you that you are going to qualify in the second attempt for sure. Okay, and make sure doing all these, your sleep should not be hampered, your health should be taken utmost care. You must have a nutritious diet, have warm water. If you feel sleepy, avoid taking sugary foods, and keep your mobile away. Okay, because watching videos require mobile, so watch the videos in the laptop so that you can remain distracted from the phone. I hope this is going to help you a lot. I'll bring more strategies for you to qualify the exam. I want all of you watching this video to qualify the exam in the master's or the PG degree itself. If you are someone who is taking the drop and studying for the CSIR net, then you can write in the comment box. I can make a separate video for you. uh, I'll give you the strategies to qualify in the first attempt. Thank you so much guys, see you again, take care.